hot day out here. Yesterday it's like 113. Today it's actually a little breeze though. So, let's see. Gone. But yeah, but what up, y'all? Welcome to another day, another dollar, another video. We just got up to go look at these, to go look at a bike actually, but fortunately, all the banks got a long line. I think he's coming back. Yes, sir. Show him how to ride because he's ready to buy a bike now. Look at him, he rolling. You got it. Got it. Ready to get on the ground, man. Ready to stop driving whips and get back on the ground, you know. It's only right. Saving gas too. So, yeah, man. That's what we on today. Right now, he's looking at another bike. It's in Shingle Springs, probably like 45 minutes away or something like that. So, we'll hit him back. We're finna go look at it. He's gonna be on the ground too. And he can ride with us. So, yeah, man. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe. Don't skip nothing. You watch the other video, you know. And go back, watch the other videos, you know, too. So y'all know what's going on that have brought us to today's events. And the whips I got today, and the motorcycle I got, and all that good stuff, you know. So, yeah, man. Today's just one of these days. Just outside. You like it? Did he hit you back? Huh? Did he hit you back? I'm gonna see y'all in a second. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm back. So, we'll look at the bike right now. Before we get on this road, let's make a little snack right quick. Quick little to-go snack. And we got the juice. Nah, this ain't served. I know that's what y'all thinking. No, it look like it, but it ain't. It's Minute Maid with Sprite, so. If you ain't tried it, give it a try. See y'all in a minute. We gotta hit the road. On the road. Finna go check out. What kind of bike is it? I don't even remember. We stopped. But yeah, it's gonna be a 600. Actually getting it for a good price too, and it got low miles. Kawasaki Ninja. 600, right? Yeah. Yep. Price. You want 1850, but you know, we don't give people what they actually want. You're talking down a little bit. Low miles and stuff, so we're gonna go check it out. It's about an hour out. So yeah, man, we're gonna see y'all get a little bit closer or something. Alright, y'all, so we didn't end up getting no bike for him today. But we finna go back tomorrow. I'm out on the bike right now. Feel lovely outside right now. It's probably like 80 degrees. It's like 9 o'clock. But I'm gonna continue this video till tomorrow because ain't nothing else going on. I'm just gonna enjoy my nice little bike ride right quick. So see y'all in the AM. Alright, y'all. So it's the next day. On our way. Let's go. The train was coming. Just took a big cautious on the inside of the risky driver. I'm surprised we ain't doing donuts over here right now. 10 more minutes to be on this road. Just one road.
Saying my name, let it sturdy flame ain't changed. Stood up for his game.
Oh yeah, I bought a Mustang from down here before.
That's a dirty game.
I'll show y'all what.
And it grip it firm, and I got sturdy aim. Listen, what makes a person.
Alright, so we made it.
I know where the fuck we parked.
And they already got somebody looking at it over there. Oh man. Hopefully they didn't sell it already. We made it. Let's go see. They got the nice Jag right there. So they all the way over there. But we're gonna see because she got somebody looking at it right now. But he coming to look at it. So hopefully, you know, hopefully Bud don't get it. Or she don't give it to Bud and give it to us instead. Because we just came all the way down here. Not for nothing. Looks like she's telling them a story and everything. So, let's see. Right here.
I have so many viewers.
So, oh, 9. It's 1 year newer than mine.
What's your guys' name?
Thing was nice.
I just text you out on my way.
You just sent like pulling in now? Okay. I just was like trying to keep track of who's coming, you know? So, that guy,
Yeah.
you're gonna go sit in the car?
Nah, I'm gonna be right here.
I'll be right back with the paperwork.
All right.
Okay?
Yep, so we're gonna take it for a test ride. Look good. Way better than mine. It's a year newer. But it got all the fairings. Mine don't got all the fairings. Oh, he did drop it though. See right here. He dropped it once, maybe once. It's kind of scraped right here. A little bit right there. Other than that though, shit, it sound good, everything. So we about to bike. We're on the way back to the south right now. I'm following him. The sun is super bright. Back, y'all. He has a bike.
Yeah, but I gotta hurry up and get spoiled in my car, bro.
Alright. We're running out. Alright, y'all. We got his bike back to Sac. Y'all see back there. You know, see it? Yep, back there. Alright. So go in. Call it a day. Not call it a day, but right now, anyway, it's super hot. So I might just go back home, do like 2 tattoos, knock them out. And it's Thursday's bike night. I might go to bike night, I might not. And if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go follow the Instagram page, the clothing line, Villagiano. It's Villagiano Clothing Company. But yeah. See y'all in a minute. Get back to this crib. bike might finna start. I don't know if I'm gonna go or not though. I think I'm gonna just do these tattoos, just make some money instead of just going out. We got the little bikers camping trip tomorrow through the whole weekend, so I'm deciding if I'm gonna go or not. I ain't too sure yet. So yeah, man, still a lot of thinking going on there because it's only like 45 minutes away. So if anything, I could just ride my bike up there, go up there till like later at night, then just ride back, and then do it again from Friday through Sunday. So yeah, man, I don't know. We're gonna figure it all out. He finna go test ride his bike, get used to it, getting the clutch, going to get some gas, all that good stuff. Then we're gonna decide if we're going to ride and stuff, so he could be a real rider, get really on the ground. But yeah, so this will be continued. I don't think I'm in this yet. Even though I might not get into nothing else today. Who knows though? We're gonna see. So y'all just stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Don't skip nothing. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Alright, what up, y'all? So today, we finna get this drone back on the road. I gotta go to Pick and Pull and get some new spark plug boots. These, 1, 2, there's one more back there. But I really think it's only this side, because these ones look bad over here. I can't really see, but there's one right there, one right here, then there's one back there. So, I'm gonna hop on this bike, go to Pick and Pull right quick, see if that Infiniti that I got this from, this part, when I went, gotta see if they still got it there. Hopefully they do. If so, I'm in the game. If not, I'm at the buy them brand new. I'm doing like, probably like $50 a pop. So, yeah, man. Let's do this. Get this young back ready. So, we're gonna grab our nice 10mm socket. But I can't find a socket, so we're gonna use this wrench. So, this is way better with a socket, man. Sockets always get lost. I don't know if I should replace these ones. I think I'm gonna just do the left side, because these ones still look good. It was mainly, yeah, it was mainly just one side. That was bad in all reality. So, I think I'm gonna just do these ones. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, right there. So yeah, man. Let me I'm gonna do these right quick. Let's see if I can set y'all up so y'all can get a good view. If not, then let me just do this. Alright. Luckily, that one. Socket. That. Get in here. Now we gotta disconnect these cables right here. 1, 2, first one, 3. Let's do that right quick. If I can set y'all up again. Stop working. Right. Right. Yeah. We're good. Now, we should be able to see if we get this last one. I still haven't got the bolt. Still right there, y'all see it? Right down there. The bolt is right there. So let me yank this one out. Alright, click. Alright, so get all three up. 1, 2, let me focus. 2 and 3. Make sure y'all see it. Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can see it. But yeah, let me I'm thinking, should I just get all 6 of them? Should I just take these ones off too? I can. For just in case measure, but nah, I think I'm gonna leave them. Yeah. So let me get ready to go to pick and pull. See you in a second. We back here up at this pick and pull. Gotta go back to row 43. Back over here somewhere. And hopefully this spark plug boost is still on this car. I know people just be taking stuff off just because destroying stuff. So let's see, man. Got my little tools. Let's see. Over here right quick, man. But yeah, I just woke up and just decided to get the Infiniti back right today. Because I really like my cars just sitting and more issues just occur. Just let them sit. So yeah, I wasn't finna be dealing with no other problems. Especially I'm just putting the spark plug in. Need 40, need 43. 32. I remember coming this far. I do not remember coming this far down. 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 2, 37, 38, 39, 41, 2, 38, 39, 41, 2. Oh, yeah. Most definitely don't remember coming down here because this is only 42 rows. I need row 49, which means I need to go back this way. I need to be over here somewhere. I'm pretty sure of it. I could check. Well, 63 is over here too. So either way, I gotta walk back towards this way. Oh, this one? Oh, it's gone now. 4 o'clock. Black. It's black. The black one. Yeah, man, I'm finna fix this car up. And I'm go on a bike ride with my cousin. one I just took when they just got the bike. So he been riding ever since. So he getting better and better. He ain't ready for the freeway yet though. So 37, 36. It's just crazy how this works, huh? No. Man, this thing is so confusing. I'm 49. Oh, so 49 is good. Yeah. This is just going 50s and down. I remember the other one was over there. Uh, 50. This is 49. It is black. For black fx35. We need 43. John is gone. Find this right quick, man. As I expected. Come on. Another one. Yeah. This is fx35. We need a 35. This row 50. We need row 63. We need row 63. This is so confusing. This T3 is the last one on the list. They got the 90s over here. The 50s. Let me see. This one over here. I'm hoping this is the one. Black. Looks like a G35 engine. It does. This is it. It is it. 07 fx35. Yep. Alright. Dang, I wish the door handles wasn't messed up. Alright. Get these spoiler packs. Alright. There's nothing. Let me see if I can set y'all. Quick. I'll take these off. All these ones still look good. So, yep, I'm thinking, should I just get all 6? As well, huh? Just in case stuff. Never know. Take my little 3 that I got. And I'm gonna take one of these doorknobs off one of these Jones. My driver's side door. It is broken. 36. First one in 37. Here's 37. This one and this one. This one. I like this material. Somebody took the back seat only. This is perfect interior. This would go perfect in my car. Driver door still. Yep. Alright. Let me see if I can get this off. Yeah. Alright, so I can get this door handle off. I don't got all the tools I need. I need the tool that go in there. And then there's one in there too. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. I'll be back another day. But the good thing is, I do got my coil pack. So, guess we can go. First, we got a whole hour trying to get that door handle off. So, let's get about it, man. See if we can get this Infiniti running back right. Alright, y'all, we back at the crib. Got our coil packs. So, hopefully, this will stop the misfiring. I had to take the spark plugs out too, right there. I'm only do this side, so I didn't even have to take off the all that. I had to take all that off, so just replacing that one, and that one. Taking these ones out. These old ones. Those the old ones. And these are the new ones, which y'all can see. I'm just wipe them down a little bit and put them on. Alright, let me show y'all. Spark plugged back in. Make sure they're spaced right. Yes, sir. These shells in there. y'all. So, got them in, started it. This side is good. So now it's misfiring from this side, which I knew I should have just got all 6 instead of just buying 3. I don't know. It's should have just got all 6. Duh. But I gotta run back to pick and pull, and gotta go get the other 3 coil packs, and then I'm gonna throw the reader back on it, and hopefully no more codes come up. So let's go. Got another 3 coil packs. Then start waiting in traffic, but there was traffic in the car, so it's a good thing I took my bike. So yeah, man, finish getting these parts off. We should be good. Start it up and ready to go to the camping site. Alright, so I had to tear this side up over here on this one, as y'all see. That one was easy. That one was easy. And that one right there, the hard one right there. Got to bend all of that just to get these 3. Alright, so last but not least, let's get this door handle from, I think it's one over there somewhere. The one I was just working on. Gotta go find it right quick. My phone's gonna die. Hold on. Great, as y'all see, we have made it back. My phone died on the ride back. But time to take this side off now and change it. So those 3, the old ones. These the 3 I just got. Then this the door handle right here. So, boop. Yes sir. Let's put this Jones on right quick. Let's see if we back. Alright, y'all see that, right? Pull this back together, tighten this up. Start it and hope for no more misfires. Alright, we got no more misfires. We are straight. Yes sir. I'm gonna warm it up for a little test drive, make sure it's alright. And yeah man, it's great. It's all good. No shaking. Just need a oil change. Oh, this one. I'll have replaced this one with a spark plug. Alright, yep, we're good. Y'all see. Back on the road, man. Yes, sir. Come on, sir. Right now, let me get this deal with the door handle. Good thing I got another one, alright? So, back on. Check this right quick. Yep, we're straight. Y'all see, it ain't fluctuating or nothing. It's staying in the same spot, but the check engine light still is on because of the O2 sensor. So, yeah, let me take this on for a quick spin right quick. All right, so it's something else because it's still blinking. So that means it's still misfiring somewhere, which means I have no clue at this point. I just need to hook my reader up now, so yeah, y'all see shaking. We is shaking, as y'all see. Man. Alright, well, guess we are taking the gas saver because this don't want to act right still, so I'm gonna re-go over the spark plugs and stuff, and man, recheck these wires and all that, because I stink too. Yeah, I really don't know. So my phone's gonna die. I'm gonna throw y'all back on the charger. And about this, I'm gonna change this door handle right quick. Let me see how to do this. Let me sync all up. Alright, so we got the new one. So, man, I think it's the wrong knob. It is. I'm gonna have to take it back. Sheesh. There y'all see. This black piece supposed to go in the back of there, like that. Bam, like that. It holds the sensor on there. Doorknob will have to be changed another day. So, I'm gonna hop in this water, get ready to take this gas over to this camping thing with the bike crew. Man, I'm gonna see y'all when I get out. Well, we all fresh and dressed, ready to go to the little camping joint right quick. I gotta stop by Walmart, grab some charcoal. Take the boot, the slider, the gas saver. I'm gonna get back on the Infiniti tomorrow. All the way right. I'm gonna recheck the wires, and sometimes the wires that's connected to the piece that goes into the coil pack, sometimes the wires at the end they be coming out. I don't know, but yeah, we'll figure it out. We got gas in here. We got no gas in the gas saver. That's crazy. All right, so I need to stop at the gas station, then I'm gonna go pick my boy up. You gonna ride with me out there? We gotta stop by Walmart, grab some charcoal. See you in a second. We're at the camping zone. Dip. Y'all finna cut all the lights off, huh? Y'all finna cut. Oh, this the only main light. After that, that's it. Everybody else, gone. Down.
I ain't just saying my shit.
Dark as shit out there, boy. Did you sleep outside?
Love you. Yeah, drive to the freeway. Go home.
Yeah, I'm already knowing. Oops. Alright. Made it back to Sac. Finally made it back to Sac. I need some food. But I have no clue what I'm finna eat. Cause there's gonna be nothing good open this late. Like 12 p.m. Only thing that be open is like Mexican food or Jack in the Box. I ain't eating none of that though. So who knows where I'm finna go. Oh, matter of fact, I don't even eat McDonald's. But I'm finna eat some McDonald's tonight. So hopefully this one by my house is open. Cause if not, I am out of luck. I won't be eating nothing tonight. Yeah, man. This is it. I'm gonna call this one a video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, all that good stuff. All your cousins and whoever y'all know, tell them come join the channel. Yeah, man. I'm gonna see y'all next one.